Good morning, student. Today's we will we will start the subject business study, chapter 4, business service. What is business service? Types of business service and definition of bank, types of bank. Okay. Uh, Types of business service. Actually, the business service can broadly classified into 5 category. First is banking service, second is insurance service, then next is communication, then next is transportation and warehousing service. Actually 5 type of business service. First, banking service. What is banking? The meaning of bank. Actually, the meaning of bank is such an institution which is engaged in the transaction of money and goods with its customer. In other way, bank is business of capital or in rights word monies. Another word, bank is an institution which received deposit in order to redeem the debit of other mutual loans. बैंक एक ऐसी संस्था है जो कि कस्टमर के रुपए को जमा करती है और आवश्यकता अनुसार उनको लोन देने का काम करती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड बैंक. नेक्स्ट, टाइप्स ऑफ बैंक. टाइप्स ऑफ बैंक. Actually, types of bank on the basis of function. First is commercial bank, then next is agriculture bank, then next is industrial bank, the next is foreign exchange bank, the next is central bank. What is commercial bank? The bank which performed the general banking work on कमर्शियल बैंक. जो जनरल बैंकिंग का वर्क करती है उसे कमर्शियल बैंक कहेंगे. दीज आर आल्सो कॉल्ड जॉइंट स्टॉक बैंक. देयर कैपिटल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू शेयर और स्टॉक. द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ डिपॉजिट मनी, एडवांसिंग मनी, प्रोवाइडिंग शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म लोन्स. दिस वर्क ऑफ कमर्शियल बैंक. फर्स्ट इज डिपॉजिट मनी, then second is advancing money, providing short term and long term loans. Okay. Agencies work and foreign exchange work is also. The next is agriculture bank. These are established to finance agriculture by providing short term loans and cultivated for buying seeds, fertilizers, agriculture's tools, etc. A long term loan by buying lands for development of irrigation facilities, agriculture machinery, etc. एग्रीकल्चर बैंक ऐसे होते हैं जो कि आवश्यकता अनुसार किसानों को मशीन, औजार या फिर बीज खरीदने के लिए उनको जो है लोन की फैसिलिटी शॉर्ट टर्म और लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए देते हैं. Then next is industrialization, industrial banks. They are popularly known as financial institution. Industrial Development Bank of India is IDBI, or Industrialization Financial Corporation of India, IFCI. Then next is foreign exchange bank. They are established for helping foreign trade. They assist imports and imports and export in making available the required foreign exchange and also accept foreign bills. The next is central bank. In India, Reserve Bank of India, RBI, function as the central bank. It controlled and regulation and credit system of country and issued direction to all others bank from time to time. It also issues currency. It is called banker of banks. एक्चुअल में इन विच बैंक? बैंकर ऑफ बैंक्स. सेंट्रल बैंक इज बैंकर ऑफ बैंक्स, SBI. So today's we will explain on the basis of function types of bank. First is commercial bank, the next is agriculture bank, the next is industrial bank, the next is foreign exchange bank, the last bank is Central Bank of India. Okay, thank you.